President Todokwa ya to aboban when hu nyansa we you, but he calls himself smart. Some penny for kai. Say who try him feel catch and just all this year. Your friend smart and just how we are smart. We are smartless. I wonder, saying our parents person we are smart. You know this idea because from day one, Captain's wife Omuza Jimmy. Ma me no papa wo beto wan nge mu nse ni atire no mo ma me na kwachema wo ni nyansa nimti ma me friend smart no ono ankasa onyini ba nka smart no emfa ni moja aba akro obewu de fa no kwache roman fa de obewu amfa enti omukoye say paid omukoye video ama paid master hu se kumase wo me oma se hokra nanso the battle is still of the Lord. The battle okuno eye radikun wakuno eye radikun ena Captain Smart nini dom kwegina ho ena omo freye say ne wanim tua enguase poto. Now I am telling you, say this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. And this Beba Beye Rally Ashanti region. Now when they come, the Ashanti people are going to tell them in their face, say, get out the hell out of here. Yes, we can see, we can discern between bad and evil and vote and choose who we want to vote for. The people of Ashanti region, I know will do. So Obekaya, Abra na do dan kwa Kufuado, Eko Otumfo ho, Bra Obeye Mampani, Eko Nintendo, Eko Srano no. Otumfo kyerɛ ma min enne ye hu so otumfo asanteman ye ne de ampa otumfo ka kyerɛ ye sɛ nana adodan kwa Akufuado wa hyɛbɔ sɛ wudu bɔ hyɛ so a asantefo bɛkae wo. These were the words of Opemso otumfo say to nana won kwaso me bodi a me bɔ ka asɛm me bɔ wisia me bɔ din wi anya wisia me bɔ ka asɛm. These were the words of His Excellency His Majesty or say so we do wash any swa asante bekai wo enti so behwa so wo behwa o kyerɛkyerɛ mu kura koka se mahama bible hyehyɛ bo bebre efon enti as na otumfo ka kyerɛ mu NDC fo se asante nim nyansa won kaye ɛna nya wo propaganda wonya hwe no na bɛsɛ asante won kaye enti otumfo by that quotation no ema yehu sa mpa asante ye ne dia wote reverend ne kakra ngoma so ma yehu sa mpa wono na asante ye ne dia enti he truly described asante to us say asante die wo be sha asante bo na so wudi so a asante be den obekae wo na eno ena asante akai say ye kwan na nye emre bi atwam ne aton ye ntoma ansa na ye manya school akọ enne ye mako school free edidi free enne hospital ye kon free o a health insurance nkwa ni na jimi fuku ni say hey motimu radio no so a se mo benya ne nkan so a sa ni views a onya bebrebe no enye normal view once a guy bi so ba se Captain Smart abeji no hunska di abra omo manipulating no mama view no etimi shoot ko high enti ade no one view kura na computer wizard omo timi ye na akwa ye bia 1000 enti two kura ko hwa na ko 20000 to pay master hu a because okay people are okay with it no ma kwa ko hwe some guys are you know asem now boy no dey buy him and Captain Smart depended on that one and they call that pay master so make up pay master munim ni pakro and you are quite a pay master si debi mo ntimi mi ache nkura we mo yankura mu di machi a mo ma mo ha mi ana m kwaka asema na Ghana fo atwuma no abe keka bi akere me nimu anu achi biem say I want to see it and appear stadium so be can say so man hwe ya vote ba akokura no omunya enunti test omo kwa akwaye no de akire pay master say adwuma no waye eno no okoya wakwagyina ni so no mo de mo hwe omo next video mba be ye e wo yibiem ombe toto papa so sa and this a signal adema NDC e wo Ashanti region ye ka kire mo 2024 just say bia mo kofa bofo ma ne be ka asem bia ye nti bi da because mo be even though I'm comparing two things allow me use bad and best. In fact, worst and best. During Muhammad's time, now we go Ghana's currency, top 10 African great strong currencies. Now you top 3, last 3, sorry. Go says here, so me boy, phone kita debi am catch say your friend smartphone, iPhone, intelligent phone, not for nothing because question be ade be money be obema answer. That is what makes the phone smart and intelligent. And the go now upa go say Ghana your currency no strength our 2012 na da saying oba say headline be ba no e be kira wo say the last 3 bottom 3 ni e shemu bi ene ugogo says here first 5 strong currencies in Africa. Ghana issue. The last time I checked near that 3, but I know say we in a call back from. But you free first 5 in Muda. From last time I check it. That is why, in fact, I should have checked before coming there. I didn't know this will come to a baby in Americans. I want to be real. And so no, you need to go cause for mobile catch say your mum I say a poto because don't be. And now me this secret in the urban data Captain Smart years our program and say ni pay master somebody can catch them say or one case investigation chiro almost o failure Ashanti region already. Now they are going to lose more votes in 2024 because of the infrastructure development and Addo and the MPP is giving the people of Ashanti region. You know, they are going to lose. And the propaganda ne buy na amount for bufu you know. And na pay master Fred Captain Smart say hey, what be this can wait you aduma no yet because I'm not getting good feedback. And the Captain Smart says no there be me some information say Kumasi there ma wie ho and hope the upper make up with your show ho then you will know. And the pay master say any I want to know. And you know pay master and a share no pay master share no say any come here na me aminhwe bi na me ntrechire na menhwe de e ko say ampa as you inform me now. And nothing I Captain Smart is one in dom who and a coin. He calls himself smart, but the smartest guy on this planet is him. And go the way Jimmy Kurana will need to receive consumer. And Kawu just as we've been paid, find some people, pay them and let them come and follow you. Because I make the same people for my ever. And yes, I can't get the Anwario. Unkoku we munina, unkoku we munina. From whom my Abba Betina Hon Moody Casacasa, ADD or Mampanatem. And Yamin Wama say, and every Ghanaian youth and why a yaya to the dear because or so radio not the what say a ye papa penia and Kanyansa. Essay a sing penny and penny for the penny trillion yes, Yakuma, and go back to now, back Kenyans as some Asham Mobru Ding, say, I'm pa a real singing in a day, but say, continue why you bet to me, just as ye catch it. Eso no say, and she done dear, Mediama Jacob, no mum, so what can't tell one, Ubedi ye, near the cancer, Passia Chilabunu, yet the year preaching on one easy life, say, for her. Koye say, esa ke ya yesi ya maunti kwada, enti mabrum wo diatem, enti sa prano as young as 5-year-old child no, or tip penny a wo ti radio so ti TV so, dim penifo atem. What are you teaching that young child? Captain Smart ni crew ni so called freedom fighters no. You might think you are supporting them. China wo so be di watem na wusu. You ask yourself, sir, plan ko sue free, o ko sue free baby a wo je support free no. O sue free baby a wo je support free. Na the bia what Captain Smart anim no odi mpanifo atem na so ye there because of political interest. Wa wani tua say amamuo no, say e rekoto to John Dramani Mahama amamuo ho atantantan. After 2016 election, Olusu poto over 1 million votes no. John Dramani Mahama, former president as candidate, ebe ka kire ye say, onu ankasa wodi nani to former, wo your mistakes e wona mamwom. Ghana, you know what it means say obi be ye one political mistake, governance mistake, one piece of mistake in governance. Unim dey cover back. It means over the 30 million people right wo Ghana no, obi ahun ko kire no. Say, engineer say, Mummy and Shepherding papa are broadening to no obedience. Some more quadrillion na John Drum or no, I see na mum or your mistakes. It was a mistake. That 4.5 years now, when yes, or the baby boom, I know. It was all mistakes. Or your mistakes, sir. Or any of them catch them all. John Drummond, near my infatuates in the course of an or no one a kaye, and then this for someone can support John Drummond in my hand and I'm more one and Samran or sin a mum a mistake. And now, so no to me, cancer, John Drummond Muhammad Beckett said the governance was a mistake for Ghanaians. Yeah, and yet, which of course, now you're in your class or no Becca, but he confirmed. Yea, na Canada, and he came to confirm because all kono a Japadi or the Jaya Panis or Dumamu and the factories be Ogugumu or no training was Yakana for 8 years and this better or Munya in Kokano and was a Mumian Commander Sugar Factory near your madam Kodada Dre. Young what is the candy, the moon factory near being net. Factory to me being in net, I dear chin near tune, say factory no machines nothing. That's why a badging bar, who at Badaye, and then a main nipper minions are down to moi. That's all catch them, says, Papa, we are mummo, a young manoko, we are mummo, a yet chair, Timus Siana, Nami don't want to tour, or giant bear, or giant bear, and it's answer 1 minute. Why I didn't do to one man, Juma. Messi, I'm going to tell you the reason and the secret behind Omukoye's our program, our Ashanti region. Don't worry, no share them. 1. Ni paymaster, Captain Smart, paymaster, Utuanica, Sako Boda Rona, and Mikey the government on